I'm gonna try to get it on his insurance, man.
Is it one of those long man?
Oh yeah, we both know that. Get it?
Yeah. Good.
This one's his.
Yeah.
Just found somewhere to park. And that's me right there.
Okay.
See, it covers that Honda right there too for these driving.
Okay.
Yeah, it covers that Honda.
Oh, you're cheap. Be smart.
That's fine.
Yeah, that's me there. That's you. Actually, I could probably do the same thing. Let me see your card there again. I'll just do the same thing out there. It's everything. Yeah.
I didn't tell. Hi, I'm doing alright.
Which one's yours? Or?
This one's mine.
Dr. Lennon got the 254 on the white male on one of the shorts just started hearing, and the other had one of the started hearing communication.
We're chill.
I've got this guy. Hey, what's your phone number, man?
813
What's your information?
770-2830.
2830. Let me get you one of my business cards.
Okay, good.
I don't see tying up anybody. I mean,
Yeah.
Your
Got all the insurance information for everybody?
that's me, Brian Bullock, right there. That's my cell phone. Is it right there? That's my cell phone right there. So, like I say, it's pretty much for witnesses of what happened. Both of us here. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So what happened?
Just pull it up in front of us.
Guy in the passport was trying to get out of Best Buy. Hit him, and then launched him.
Where do you
It's right there. That's it. That's what he said. He got out of my truck. He like, what?
I should buy a kid. Yeah, when I pulled out, I didn't see him.
Okay.
It took damn much time.
You guys are going to get out of here?
Yeah, I'm gonna get my Christmas.
Sorry,
Merry Christmas. You too, sir.
Thank you.
That's my cell phone number right there. One of these for me?
Do you want it?
Oh, you gave her one of these? I thought you were writing like some.
I wrote this.
Okay.
What's your name, Mark?
Okay. All right.
Okay.
That's my cell phone number right there.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
Hey, y'all have a good Christmas now.
Thank you.
I didn't get a phone number for you.
On this?
Yeah.
On another page?
Yeah.
Same one.
Yeah. Your name is?
Dan.
Dan. Thanks.
I gotta pull that bumper out. I can't turn. I can't turn. Shit.
You might